And now for our small alligator. We've taken a 5-inch round, I'm using yellow, inflated it to about 1 inch to 1.5 inches, and I've trimmed the nozzle very close to the knot there. I've got a dark green 160, inflated with about a 7-inch tail, and then a lime green 260, inflated with about a 4-inch tail left on the end. We're going to start with our lime green. We're going to twist about a 1.5 inch bubble, followed by another 1.5 inch bubble. Grab the knot when you twist these together so the knot doesn't go around with it. Tuck it up inside there. Now we're going to make a small fold twist. Fold it over, but you've got to fold in it like a really large ear twist, about a 1 inch, maybe 1 inch tall. And we're going to make another the same size on the other side. You just fold that over till it meets and then twist it in. It's a rather large ear twist actually. So we have that for our head. Now we're going to make about 1.5 inch bubble for the neck. And we're going to continue with fold twists for our legs. These will be slightly larger than the other ones. We'll make 1, 2 for our front legs. And then for our back legs, we'll do the same thing. And there we go. So we now have that for our alligator. We're going to set that aside. We're going to take our little 5-inch round, push the knot up in the middle and twist it in half so that you've got 2 bubbles. When you get it just started to twist, you can work the air back and forth to get them the same size. Try to get them as close to the same size as possible. Then we're going to take those and twist them up around where these first 2 ear twists are, a fold twist that we did. Twist them around once or twice, and then I'll turn these so that the folds are facing up and the eyeballs rest down in those folds. Now we're going to take our 160, take your nozzle and come in behind the eyes and twist it around the snout once or twice, tuck it in the back, and now we're going to make a long string of pearls that runs the length of this entire body, tucking into each of these points as we get there. So little 1/2 inch bubbles, and just continue with a string. When you get to the first joint, go around, secure it in, continue with the string of pearls. Try to keep them consistent in size. When you get to the next joint, same thing, go around once or twice to secure. And then continue on to the base of the tail. Once you get almost to the end, now this one's going to be fun because as you can see I've let this bubble a little tighter than it probably should be. We're going to twist a small bubble on the end of the tail. A little bitty tiny bubble, about the size of our string of pearls. Run the end of that 260 or 160 around that a couple of times. Now we're going to take and make another small bubble. Make that an ear twist. Position that on one side. Come around to the other side, make another small bubble, and again, make that an ear twist as well, and then go around a couple of times to what's left over. Take our excess off, twist it around to secure it. And there we have our little alligator.